In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Salesforce report public. This process will help you make your reports easily accessible to relevant team members or departments in your organization while maintaining control over who can view or edit the data. Start by heading to the Reports tab. You'll find this either in the App Launcher or the navigation bar, depending on how your interface is set up. Now, if you don't immediately see the Reports tab, it might be because your current application setup doesn't include it, or it could be an issue with your user profile permissions. In such cases, you might need a quick check-in with your administrator to enable access. Once you're in the Reports section, the next step is to locate or create a new folder where you intend to store the report. In Salesforce, reports are organized within folders, such as Unfiled Public Reports or My Personal Custom Reports. If none of these existing folders align with your needs, feel free to click on the New Folder option to create a new one specifically for public access. Let's talk about ensuring your report is saved in the right kind of folder, one that allows sharing. When you're saving a report, or if you're opting to use the Save As feature, make sure to select a folder that is set up with the proper sharing settings. Do refrain from using a personal folder, as this won't allow other users to access the report. The goal is to place your report in a folder that's accessible to everyone who should have visibility. Next comes the critical step of sharing the folder, which in turn gives access to all the reports housed inside it to the intended audience. This is a key factor in making your reports publicly accessible within your organization. While still on the Reports tab, find the folder you've stored the report in. Then, click on the drop-down menu or gear icon next to it and select Share. A sharing dialog will appear, and this is where you get to specify who can access your report. In the Share With drop-down, you can choose from different options, like roles, users, public groups, or even all internal users, based on who you want to grant access. Additionally, you have the flexibility to set the access level for these users. This can be viewer, editor, or manager, depending on the level of interaction you'd like them to have with the reports. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click Done or Save to finalize these settings. Lastly, it's crucial to confirm that the people who need access to these reports have the necessary permissions. At minimum, they must have the View Reports in Public Folders permission. Also, double-check that the folder's sharing settings adequately include all users or groups who require access to your reports. Following these steps will ensure seamless report sharing within your Salesforce environment.